In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the differences between ClickUp and Jira, two popular project management solutions. As you decide between these two platforms, you'll be choosing between fundamentally different philosophies on managing work. On one side, we have Jira, renowned for being the industry standard in software development, and on the other, ClickUp, a highly customizable, all-in-one platform designed to cater to any type of team. Let's start by delving into Jira, a platform that has become synonymous with software development and IT work. Jira was purpose-built with these teams in mind. Its undeniable strength lies in its powerful issue tracking capabilities, bug management, and agile workflows. It's designed with methodologies like Scrum and Kanban at its very core, which makes it a preferred tool for managing complex development projects. However, the user interface in Jira can appear complex and quite rigid, particularly for those who don't work in a technical field. It has a steep learning curve and usually requires a dedicated administrator who can handle the setup and ongoing maintenance efficiently. Despite these challenges, Jira shines when it comes to handling complex agile projects. For sprint planning and issue tracking, it's hard to beat. What gives Jira a significant edge in the tech world is its deep and seamless integrations with other developer tools, such as Confluence and Bitbucket. However, it's important to note that Jira's pricing can be a bit daunting. While there is a free version available for up to 10 users, the paid tiers tend to be on the more expensive side and can become complicated due to various add-ons. Now, let's shift our focus to ClickUp, which takes a different approach. Described as a general-purpose work OS, ClickUp aims to serve a broad audience that includes, but is not limited to, marketing, sales, HR, and creative teams, besides developers. The idea with ClickUp is to offer a single, centralized platform for managing all kinds of work. It boasts a modern and user-friendly interface designed for quick adoption. However, this plentiful array of features and customization options can sometimes feel overwhelming to new users. The major benefit of ClickUp lies in its immense flexibility. It operates like a blank canvas, allowing users to create any workflow they desire. It includes a wide array of native features such as collaborative documents, whiteboards, chat functions, and various views, including Gantt charts and mind maps. As for pricing, ClickUp offers a very generous free forever plan that includes unlimited users and tasks. Its paid plans are also competitively priced, often providing better feature-to-cost value for general business teams. In summary, choose Jira if you're part of or manage a team centered around software development and need robust, purpose-built tools for issue tracking, agile workflows, and seamless integration with other developer platforms. However, if you're leading a diverse, cross-functional team that handles various types of projects, ClickUp might be the better choice for you, especially if you appreciate an all-in-one platform that offers the best feature-for-price value on the market.